case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2009, a case was heard in the United States Court of Appeals for the Eighth Circuit that highlighted key concerns about the protections offered under the Eighth Amendment and the conditions faced by pregnant prisoners in the United States. Shawanna Nelson, a non-violent inmate, became the focal point of the case known as Nelson v. Correctional Medical Services. While in custody, Nelson went into labor and was taken to the hospital by Officer Terensky and Nurse Smith. Contrary to instructions, Terensky shackled Nelson during her labor, a procedure known to be inherently dangerous. Nelson sued, claiming her constitutional rights, specifically those under the Eighth Amendment, had been violated by the officer and by the director of the Arkansas Department of Correction. In a significant decision, the court ruled that the act of shackling a woman during labor violates the Eighth Amendment, concluding that it was inhumane and unconstitutional. This became a notable ruling that established clear constitutional protections against shackling during labor for women prisoners. This decision resulted in Officer Terensky's summary judgment application being denied, bringing his actions under further scrutiny. However, the court decided the responsibility does not extend to Director Norris of the Corrections Department, asserting he could only be held liable if he had personally exhibited intentional indifference to Nelson's predicament. The court reversed the earlier decision denying Norris summary judgment based on qualified immunity. The case was then returned to the district court with an upheld denial of summary judgment for Officer Terensky. This high-profile case, carried forth under Nelson's name, continues to mark an important discourse on the Eighth Amendment issues surrounding the treatment of pregnant inmates in custody.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.